multimeter, resistance trainer, DC power supply, and jumper. First of all, adjust the knob of zero adjustment. Next, rotate the switch to the value of 10 DC volt and then plug in the probe to the DC power supply. Calculate by using probe positive and probe negative of multimeter. Note down the value, and that's how to measure voltage by using multimeter. Remove the black jumper from the terminal negative resistance trainer and terminal negative DC power supply. Then, rotate the switch to the value of 25 mA. Plug in positive probe to the terminal negative resistance trainer and negative probe to the terminal negative DC power supply. That's how to measure the current by using a multimeter. Lastly, plug off and turn off all of the power.